Hello, everyone. Here's a quick video on the people intelligence part of Humantic AI. Whenever you come onto anybody's LinkedIn profile, you can open the Humantic AI extension, and then you will understand the buyer's insights. Initially, it gives you a public overview of the individual where it helps you understand their profession, who they are outside of work, and also few of their achievements. From there, Humantic gives you a critical analysis of this individual and their biases, which is very important for you to understand how they like to buy. Just by reading this piece, you will understand the small changes that you may have to make in your pitch to them. From there, it also lists a bunch of topics that they care about, great conversation starters, and also media appearances. You can go through these to understand their worldview and what they care about. Moving forward from there, it also gives you the compatibility between your DISC profile and their DISC profile. Okay, moving forward from there, it also tells you how to talk to them when you make a cold call. What are the pattern interrupts? What should be the tone? And how should you make the ask? Also, what are the subconscious drivers? From there, you can go ahead and understand how to write an email, but don't worry, we got this covered for you. Your Humantic I personalizer will write the email on your behalf. Moving forward from there, it also tells you the do's and don'ts while you're qualifying or prospecting with this individual. From there, it also tells you what to keep in mind when you're negotiating or closing. It also tells you how to set your own expectation while you're dealing with them. Then it goes ahead and gives you their DISC profile, OCN profile for further analysis if need be. So this was a quick introduction into buyer's insights. Happy hunting.